Now you are ready to run the lathe. To do this, close the door and press the green cycle start button. Remember, if the lathe does something you don't expect, don't hesitate to press that red emergency stop switch. If you're thinking critically about this lab exercise, you might be wondering and asking yourself why we didn't have you fill out an operator checklist for this portion of the exercise. Well, it turns out that because the lathe is set up for a production run, the operator or the instructor that set that up is responsible for that checklist.